Hello there, welcome to Vietsound channel. Today we're going to talk about the O sound. So are you ready? Let's get started. The O sound can occur at the beginning of the word, like in the word ông, or at the middle of the word, like tôm, or at the end of the word, like bố. Now let's see how to pronounce the O sound. First, the tip of the tongue is placed behind the lower teeth. The body of the tongue is down. Raise the back of the tongue high up. Tense your tongue and pull it towards your throat. Open your mouth slightly. Route your lips into a circle and make them tense. The last thing you have to remember about the O sound that it is a long sound. So you have to prolong the O sound in word like O, 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 ông, tôm, bố. Now let's try to say some words with the O sound. I'm gonna say the word first, then you'll have a few seconds to copy exactly how I pronounce the word. First, the O sound at the beginning of the word. Ôn, ôm, ốm, ôi, ổi, ốc, ốp, ông, ống. Now the O sound at the middle of the word. Tôi, tôm, nồi, đội, bốn, hộp, rồng, công, không, ngỗng. Now the O sound at the end of word. Bố, đô, cô, cỗ, nhỏ, chỗ, lỗ, gỗ, bột tôm, lông nhông, bối rối, mồ côi, công nông, bông hồng, ống cống, bổng lộc. Now let's practice saying some sentences with many of the O sound. We're gonna do it in 3 steps. On the first step, I'm gonna say the sentence very, very slowly. Then I'm gonna do it a little bit faster. And on the last step, I'm gonna say the sentence with normal speed. Hôm nay đường không đông. Now a little bit faster. Hôm nay đường không đông. Now with normal speed. Hôm nay đường không đông. Cô bống mua một bông hồng. Now a little bit faster. Cô bóng mua một bông hồng. Now with normal speed. Cô bóng mua một bông hồng. Okay, you've done very well. If you want to bring a smile into my face, you can support me by the link in the description. Thank you for watching.